What is the problem with shared hosting, and what happens when you got an infected plugin or something else bad happens? So I have here the websites, and I have multiple websites on one hosting, shared hosting, and I'm not a fan for shared hosting, and I'm definitely not gonna use it for a serious business website. But for test purpose, it's fine. So here we are with the website, and we're going to install another plugin. As you can see, I have another website. This website also runs, and there are a lot of other websites. They're all fine. But let's see what happens when we install a plugin from AppSumo. I've bought a plugin from AppSumo, and let's see where it is. It's this one, Blitzplug. And what this plugin does, what you can read on AppSumo, that is that this plugin allows you to let you pay for posts and for pages. So when somebody wants to watch that page or post, then they have to pay first. And what happened when we install this plugin? And as you can see, it takes a long time, but then when you activate it and when you watch it, then you can see that there are strange scripts. And when you are watching the other websites that we're running online, uh, now it works, but I can assure you that when you are keeping running this plugin, then some or the other way it stops running. And let's see how we can do that, and we're going to show it on the posts, and we are going to show it on the pages, and we're going to update it, and we're going to change something, and the page settings, and it takes a long time before it works. And let's say we've charged them $5, and let's run the firewall from VirusDie. We wait a little bit. So in the beginning, the plugin seems to work. There are a little bugs that you see on the front end, and you think by yourself, well, it will be fine. And as you can see here, there is already an error message on VirusDie. So it's infecting all the other domain names. And as you can see now, the website is offline. And also this website is also offline. So everything is offline. Not only one website, but all the other websites. And you can't even reach your mail, because when you're hosting your mail, for example, by RootPaul, and I've bought the AppSumo deal for RootPaul, a lifetime deal for shared hosting. Well, this is what happened. Everything is down, and I didn't install advanced custom fields on this particular website where I've installed the plugin, the bed plugin. But when you are watching what's wrong, and you're gonna see and you're gonna watch what the problem is. Let's see, where was it? Files. So this is the bad file, and when you are watching what is happening, then you can see that it is something that has to do with advanced custom fields and with the color picker. And if you can see here, then you can see the fields and CSS classes, and then it's the color picker. So that can go wrong, and you have, or even if you have a resets plugin like WordPress resets, and you have made snapshots and something like that, and you run the recovery tool that is included with WordPress resets, then nothing will work. You just have to go to the files, and then you have to go to watch the files, and you can also do it here in VirusDie actually. Let's see how we can do that. So we are running this, and we're hiding this, and the file manager, and the WordPress content, and then the plugins, and we delete this one. Then you can see that everything will be fine. We just reset it, and it may take a while, but when we refresh the page, then everything should be online. Not quite yet, because it takes a little while before everything is running, but I can assure you that when we run the test again, it should be fine. As you can see, everything is fine, but maybe I have to go to the incognito. No, it's not running yet. But anyway, I don't want to show you my details from my accounts, but I can assure you that if you delete the file, then everything will work. And let's do it once again. I don't think that it's working now, but trust me, it works when you delete the file. So be aware of shared hosting, and especially with plugins, because the advanced custom field plugin, I didn't install it as I told you. Oh, there it is. Now it is. Now you can see it. It's back again. But I didn't install advanced custom field on this particular website. So the plugins, and you don't see any advanced custom fields. Now I should fix this as well. So yeah, watch out for shared hosting and for plugins. And that's also the reasons why you never should allow automatic updates. So able auto updates when you have a share hosting, don't do that. It takes more work to do it manually, but trust me, it's better to do it manually on a shared hosting. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. And guys, don't buy that deal on AppSumo, because not every deal on AppSumo is good. Watch out what you're doing. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.